Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the best food for heart, eyes, brain, bones and liver. And also it has lots of other health benefits. So let's see what is that. You all familiar with the ingredients, and they are almonds, dried dates, raisins and dried figs. I took these nuts and dry fruits because they are ideal for anyone and can be easily available. Okay, we know that eating nuts and dry fruits are so good for health, and also there is a lot of news that eating soaked nuts and dry fruits are much beneficial to health. And yes, it is true that eating soaked nuts and dry fruits can avoid gas, bloating problems and allergic reactions. So let's see how to soak and eat them in the right method. Take 2 dried dates. Dried dates are rich in calcium, makes bones strong, relieves back pain and knee pain. And next, take 2 dried figs. Dried figs are so good in treating piles, gastric problems, improves and purifies the blood. And take 5 almonds. You can also take 10 almonds if you want to gain muscle, but 5 almonds per day is ideal. And almonds are so good in improving eyesight, improves memory power, relieves back pain and makes your skin glow. And then take 15 to 20 raisins. If you find seeded raisins, then take them because they are so good. And raisins are so good for heart, low blood pressure and anxiety. And if you're feeling dizzy, anxious and feeling that your blood pressure is going low, immediately eat 15 to 20 raisins and drink some lukewarm water. After eating them, you will definitely feel instantly relaxed. And also it improves and purifies the blood and removes dark circles. Okay, now take them all into a bowl or a glass. And to this add some water and clean them to remove any dirt. And now to this add some water until they are covered in water. And then put the lid on and leave it aside and let them soak overnight. And in the morning, strain the water and peel the skin of the almonds and eat them on empty stomach. And after eating them, drink this water. It has lots of vitamins and nutrients. Once you drink and eat them, don't eat or drink anything for an hour. Eating nuts and dry fruits in the morning on empty stomach is ideal because it will be easy to digest them and can avoid gas and bloating problems. And yes, it has no side effects, but only those who have sinusitis eat these nuts and dry fruits in half of the quantity, like 1 dried date, 1 dried fig, 2 to 3 almonds and 5 to 10 raisins, because it may cause cold and may aggravate your sinus. So eat them in half of the quantity initially, and once you feel it is not causing cold, then continue to eat them. Otherwise you can stop eating them. Other than that, it has no side effects. You can eat them and get all the health benefits. And also any age group people can eat them. So do try to eat these nuts and dry fruits in this method and see the best results. And also to see the best results, eat them every day for at least 45 days. Just try to eat them and see the good health benefits for yourself. I hope this video has been helpful for you, and if you want any more information about this, then please check the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.